Welcome back to Srujna and me. Today in this video I am going to show you two types of doormats. These doormats I have turned from my old leggings. How I had done? Let's see. To do this I have taken rectangular shaped cardboard. Length and width is up to you. Firstly I'll make a markings at 1 inch distance from the both short edges. After giving line vertically, now I will mark half inch markings at equal distance horizontally in this way. After giving markings in this way, now I will give notches on these marked lines. To the other end also I have done in the same way. This one now I'll keep it aside and I'll take leggings. To do this doormat I have taken two colors. First I'll lay this brown color legging on a flat surface and I will cut elastic part at the top and double folding part at the bottom. Now I'll cut this legging into long strips along its length with 1 inch width. After cutting into long strips, now I'll pull each strip along its length. Then it will become like a rope. In this way, after cutting two leggings, I got this many strips. Now to the cardboard, I'll place these black color strips between two opposite slots in this way. After placing all the strips, now I will turn this cardboard. At the back, I will arrange all the strips edges properly and I will stick these strips edges to the cardboard with plaster. After sticking with the plaster, now I will turn this cardboard towards right side. With needle, I will attach brown color strip to the black color strip. After attaching brown color strip to black color strip, I will start weaving using alternate strips as shown. Now it came to the end of the strip. Another one more strip I will attach to this existing strip with needle. While weaving, ensure that there should not be any gaps between two lines. In this way, I will weave the strips till up to other end of the cardboard. Now at the end, I will attach this brown color strip to the black color strip with needle. After attaching, now I will turn this cardboard and I will remove this plasters. In this way, after removing plaster, now I will separate this doormat from the cardboard. Finally, I will give knots in this way and I will trim extra threads. Now we will see second one. To do this circular shaped doormat, first I'll take 3 strips and I'll give knot like this. Now how we will plait our hair, in the same way I will plait here also. Now it came to the end of the strips. Earlier how I had attached the strips, in the same way here also I will follow. In this way, after attaching strips, now I will keep on plait the strips. After plaiting all the strips, now it will become like a thick rope. Now I will take one end of the knotted part as a center and I will rotate the rope in a circular manner and I will give invisible stitch in this way. Now it came to the end of the rope. Here just I'll give a knot and I will attach this. I hope sharing this idea may really helpful for you. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.